Let's travel to other planets with speed of light in a futuristic spaceship. Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system and the one closest to the Sun. It has a rocky surface and no atmosphere. It has a distance of 48 million miles from Earth. If your spaceship travels at speed of light, it will take about 4 minutes to travel there. Venus, a rocky planet that is similar in size to Earth, but with a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat and makes it the hottest planet in the solar system. It has a distance of 67 million miles from Earth. Light takes about 6 minutes to travel there. Earth's moon, average distance of 238,855 miles. Light takes about 1.28 seconds to travel there. Mars, known as the red planet, due to its rusty color, Mars is a rocky planet with a thin atmosphere and evidence of past water on its surface. Average distance of 140 million miles. Light takes between 3 and 22 minutes to travel there, depending on the positions of Earth and Mars in their respective orbits. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, with a thick atmosphere and many moons. It is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface. Average distance of 484 million miles, 778 million kilometers. Light takes between 35 and 52 minutes to travel there, depending on the positions of Earth and Jupiter in their respective orbits. Saturn, another gas giant, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock particles. Average distance of 886 million miles, 1.4 billion kilometers. Light takes between 1 and 2 hours to travel there, depending on the positions of Earth and Saturn in their respective orbits. Uranus, an ice giant with a tilted axis that causes it to spin on its side. It has a faint ring system and many moons. Average distance of 1.8 billion miles, 2.9 billion kilometers. Light takes about 2.7 hours to travel there. Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, also an ice giant with a blue color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It also has a faint ring system and many moons. Average distance of 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers. Light takes about 4 hours to travel there. Pluto. It is located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune that contains many small icy objects. Pluto is about 2/3 the size of Earth's moon and has a rocky core surrounded by a frozen surface of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It has 5 known moons, the largest of which is named Charon. Average distance of 3.7 billion miles, 6 billion kilometers. Light takes about 5.5 hours to travel there. But is it really possible to travel at speed of light? The speed of light is approximately 186,000 miles per second. At this speed, you could travel around the Earth's equator in less than a second. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as you approach the speed of light, time appears to slow down relative to someone who is not moving. This means that if you were traveling at the speed of light, time would essentially stop. At the speed of light, the laws of physics as we know them break down. For example, objects with mass would require an infinite amount of energy to accelerate to the speed of light, so it is currently impossible for anything with mass to travel at this speed. If you were traveling at the speed of light, you would not experience time in the same way as someone who is stationary. For example, a journey that takes years for an observer on Earth would feel much shorter to someone traveling at the speed of light. The effects of traveling at the speed of light are purely theoretical at this point, as no object with mass has ever been observed to travel at this speed. However, scientists continue to explore the concept of faster-than-light travel and its implications for space exploration and our understanding of the universe.